Bam! Bam!
Force. Bodies. At this point, I don't think the word gonna be a simple word that I know anymore. At this point, it's gonna be like, ooh, wolves. What? I just type anything, okay? Joris wearers painted wolf heads on their shields howl when they enter a battle and held a mid-raffle at every full moon. Ow! Ow! Ella, you're still in pajamas? It's okay. It doesn't mean that I'm gonna be like turning into a wolf wearing pajamas, right? You just insulted a wolf's mother. Why? Because it's not sounds like that? Okay, fine. I can do it. Okay, that was ultra cursed.